kati waliwo ensonga y'okufukamirira abaami. Ensonga y'okufukamirira abaami eyo ogirabamu omulamu.
Okay. By the way, yes. Yes.
Omukyala yandifukamidde. So kompe ku nsonga zo ki.
Now, kati olabayo omulembe gwe tulimu. People are, let's say, for example, our age mates, people in the dating world, they are not married. Kwegamba just babera bonna, boyfriend and girlfriend, naye babera bonna. And then this girl, she's kneeling. I don't know. Disturbs me.
Yes.
Osanga nga ne gwe bafukamira. Kuba kiboko.
You like it is here when you're kneeling.
I comprehend. Like they are not married, but she's doing all her wife duties.
Yeah.
Kneeling inclusive. Then at the end of the day, they don't marry her.
What a shock.
Like they are doing too much for people who are just dating.
Yeah.
Then when you get married, what are you going to do? I feel like
you will lie down. You lie down.
I feel like that kneeling aspect when it like works properly with like married people, officially married. This is your husband, this is your wife. So kneeling down, it's a sign of respect. Yeah, I believe in that. Okay. Whether there are some men out there apparently who ngabagamba bachala bawe I think that's okay. But on a normal they haven't told you not to kneel. I don't know. I feel like I will kneel.
Okay. You kneel. I would love to see that. Kati medo nenzijukira waliwo nkunyonyodde ku lujjuliro batuula ku ndagala ebbali like family mama bakuba taata ebiseera ebisinga yiti yatuulanga ku jjuliro ng'atuula bbali bamuwa mu katebe ke n'atuula naye abaana ne maama mwenna mutuula wansi katuyina eno enkola self service olujjuliro olwo olwaga lufaanana mu self service katono nnyo lwansonga bateekawo emmere ne weegerera gy'omalawo so ebanga self service kati tuyina eno updated self service whereby baleeta emmere on a dinner like dining table. You serve yourself like a toke, a fry, what, katono.
Yeah.
Katono neno, bakutere emmere ku sowaani, n'ogenda. Oba ntono oba nnyingi, assalamu alaikum. Okitegeera? Gwamanyi. Olowooza what's better? Olowooza abantu bandiriddenga bonna ku lujjuliro, bandikuwaddenga emmere ne bagira ne bagamba genda nga olaba ku restaurant, ne bakuwa emmere. If you leave it, it's okay. If you finish it, it's cool. Oba self-service, gye weeregera. What do you think? Ey'Abaganda esinga oba what do you think?
Those okay, cultures are different because Zendoza nti olujuliro is for the Baganda. Then because of maybe colonialism, we've seen how white people do it and then we want to do it here. So we're also taking that route. Both have advantages and disadvantages.
What is that? What are those disadvantages?
Okay, with Baganda, that's Lujulino, where you all sit together and eat together. I feel like it's a way of converging as a family. Like you're eating, then of course in between, there are some conversations that are being had here and there. There's that, there's that bond and unity. Then with the other side, when you serve yourself and then you just go kwegamba buli omu ateekako emmere n'agenda oli agenda tuula mu kisenge ono atuule mu ddiiro oli atuule mu kitchen like there's just no order.
Tewali bond.
There's no bond, there's no yeah. And also the self-service aspect, there are people nga tebalina mpisa. They have said that, let's say the meat, they are in the pot and they are saying self-service. There are, let's say, 5 pieces. There are 5 members of the family. Each one, automatically your brain tells one piece. There is that warrior who scores like 3 pieces and not like have regard for like, talk
about where there is meat, there is chicken, there is goat's meat. It is self-service.
There is that someone who will pick 5 pieces of chicken, 2 pieces of meat, 10 pieces of this. Like people are indifferent like that. Like they have no, common decency to know that. naye kati kyendaba ku lujjuliro I feel like when you're serving with people actually watching you, there's that sense of shame that you get. Nugamba, mama agenda kundaba nga ntaddeko ebifi 5 byonna mbiridde bannange tebafunye. So you obviously pick one. Like there's a way it grooms morals. Yeah. Actually
the empisa ezo lwansonga ku lujjuliro bateekangawo emmere tutule tuyita ebibego nga babeza amatooke most olujjuliro balulyanga ku matooke lumonde ne muwogo ne kyetumu emmere nnyingi kati babibega like round jukira mutudde round kati kikkakatako emmere ekuba mu maaso olanga eweddewo emmere ekubeera mu maaso olanga eweddewo tosobola kuyisa mukono kuzza eri meaning they're training you if what you have is done be comfortable you can ask for ekirala ne bakuwa but toyisa mukono kujeri mpozi oli kati kusembereze so olugwawo ososolgamba badde nsaba nyongere kuki ekitali eno.
Now also that issue of extending hands I have a problem with it. I've seen some people who like in this normal setting let's say we are out there, we are eating at a restaurant and then maybe a friend of theirs comes to the table to greet them. Some people, the plate is here and they are shaking hands just across your plate. That thing disturbs me. Njaba kubori, you and your friend. Like,
what is that?
I don't know. That's no manners because imagine you're shaking your hands.
Yes.
And
you're sweating.
And you're sweating. And the sweat drips in my food.
Wow. That is it's a catalyst. It's a mixture. You can get
some people don't wash their hands. So your friend avudde yonna javudde katanabye engalo yenna ava mu Kampala dust emkubi.
Poking is poking.
Then they are shaking their hands just above someone's food. Okay, even if it's your own food. Some people, they are more rude.
Actually, abantu yensonga lwaki bagamba ne beera bakusavinga ogeze mu restaurant. Leka omuntu akusavinga ateeke ebintu wansi. Bakusavinga oli kujjayo. Kati bw'okuba omuntu olukokolo omulala n'omukuba olukokola naye oli kafeesi. Olukokola gwe olumanyi luno nga balukubye mu feesi. Nedda olwokukola lulalamu ebakuba face passport yanto manyi ebintu bya face passport awatali face nawe kenyini okiraba when you before you sleep you're going to wash your face olabe nti oli maridadi sana osanana oyinza n'obutayuza bigere bulangito ojja kwoza essuuka ne ka face olina okwozaako wano n'obulago oyinza n'obbulika okitegeera actually